What is up, beautiful babe? Sweet angel, how are you? How are we? Are you doing good? Please let me know in the comments. Please check in. Let me know who you are and where you're tuning in from. Listen, today, very short, sweet, and to the point. We have a new beauty toy. That's what we're going to call it, a beauty toy, because guess what? We have fun while we get pretty, okay? That's what I love. And I want to say hello to my new 3-Gen Gentle Skin Infrared Mask right here. Y'all, we are opening it up. Inside, we got instructions. Gotta have that. Woohoo. I'm so excited. All right, look at here. Looky here. Let's take it out. Oh, she's cute. She is so cute. Look at there. We're going to have some fun while we get pretty. Look at all of the lights there. So this Forever heated red light mask is equipped with 3 114 LED chips for deep, even skin coverage. Full spectrum light that targets dullness and uneven tone. It heats gently between 25 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius. That's comfy and soothing. It has 3 smart modes, plus remote control for easy use. Timer settings of 5, 15, 20, or 25 minutes. Auto shut-off feature. So all you have to do is just relax and glow. It's for helping your skin look smoother, brighter, and refreshed. Now, I'll be back with a full review after I've used it for a while. So I'm excited about it. Just put it all together. And yes, I am excited because I know how great red light therapy can be for the skin. Y'all know I live for a new beauty toy. And I want to thank Forever 3-Gen for helping me to indulge even more. Y'all, that's it for today. Listen, I will be trying this out. You will see it throughout my videos as I use it, as I see the results come through. And I'm loving that. So I'll see y'all in the next one. And still you rise with grace. That ain't luck, baby. That's magic. That's magic.